guys, it's me, and today I'm doing a clown makeup tutorial. All the things I'll be using will be in the description below. Let's get started. Okay, so I put my red contacts in. I honestly kind of wanted white, but I don't have white, so red is going to work fine. Now I'm going to put on some primer. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is putting on foundation, but I'm also going to take my foundation and mix it with this face paint. I got it from Halloween, like right after Halloween, and I went to Walmart and I got this, so that's where I got it. I don't know where to get it now, but this is from Halloween, so yeah. Okay, so I just put on my foundation and I was like, oh, it looks really good. So I went and looked in the mirror just to make sure like it was all blended. And I looked and it was literally green and not blended at all. I don't know what happened. It looked great on camera. But then like I tried to like redo it and I think I might have had some black like on my brush. And it literally, like I washed off my brush, I tried doing it again and I was even worse. So I literally was like, okay, I'll try blending it out with my beauty blender, and I literally tapped it and it all came off onto my beauty blender. I was like, okay, this doesn't matter anymore. So I just took that foundation because it is paler than what I actually am. I don't want to be like white, I just want to be extra pale. So I just used that foundation and it doesn't cover that great, so I'm just going to use a lot of concealer. So okay, so now I'm going to be using this concealer and I'm going to go under my eyes. I want to get rid of some of the redness in my cheeks because I don't want it to be red. I want it to be pale, but it's not working. I'm going to cover up my scar a little bit because it's just showing. I'm going to be using my actual hair. Usually when I wear a wig, it doesn't show. My scar doesn't show, so. Man, this foundation does not work well. Okay, so now that that's on, I'm going to set all of this because it's literally just moving everywhere and I want it to stay, so. So now I'm going to contour. So I want to open this. I think I want to do my whole jaw. And I want to do my cheeks. Forehead. I also want to do my temples to like sink in my face more. Now I'm taking this angled brush to go for like smaller parts of my face. So, the first thing I want to do is go right here and make my lips a little bigger. And then nah. Okay, now I want to give myself like a button nose. I also want to thin it up, but only at the top here. And I want to deepen my eyes too. So I'm going to attach that to make this part thinner too. I don't know, I didn't really like how that looks. Okay, now I'm just going to blend all that in. So now I want to take this highlighter and use it on my cheeks. And I also want to put some like right here on my cupid's bow. Okay, so now I'm going to reset my makeup because that's usually when I set my makeup, but I didn't want my makeup to fall off as I was doing that part of my makeup. I'm going to go with this blush, and because it's not very pigmented, I just want to do a little tiny bit. Okay, so now I'm going to prime my eyes. I just remembered I actually want to do my eyebrows before I do my eyes, so I'm going to brush them out. They look nothing alike. That one looks kind of better. You know, today started out great, and the second I start doing this, it's just... So, now I'm gonna just try to fix it with this. I put way too much. Okay, that looks better though. I'm just gonna try to fix this part because I got a little bit in my eyebrow. So now for the eyeshadow, I want to take... Wait, do I want to do that? No, I don't. I was just thinking about it. I want to have black, like a smoky eye, instead of this. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take this gray and cover... Wait, do I want that gray? What I want to see? Yeah. I'm going to take this gray and put it all over my lid to my brow bone. So now I want to do like a sparkly black, so I'm going with that one. And just putting it all over my lid. So now I'm going to take this gray and blend between the black and the gray to like blend them together. Okay, so now I want to take like this flat brush and take white and put it with that. And then I'm going to put it in my corners of my eyes and like... Okay, so I was thinking about it, and I actually want to take this gray that we started with and put it on my lower like lash line. Okay, so I want to line my top lids with my liquid liner, but I still can't do it on camera because in my phone. So I'm just gonna go line my eyes really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I accidentally got a little bit of black like eyeliner down there because like dripped. So I'm just gonna leave it because it doesn't look that bad. So okay, I'm gonna line my bottom waterline with this black. Okay, now I want to do my eyelashes, so I'm just gonna curl them and then put the... Okay, so I'm actually doing a TikTok for this makeup, and I'm doing the like where's my jewel one, and I want it right now. What I would do is actually start with like the like clown things because that's what I'm doing, but I'm not going to, only because I'm making the TikTok. So yeah, so I'm gonna put red lipstick on, and then in a bit I'm gonna take black lipstick and like go around the edges so that way only the inside part is black. So okay, so I just finished the TikTok part of it that I'm doing for like the beginning part, and then the next part will be all creepy and whatever. So you know how like, okay, so my Deku freckles, they literally just fall off. So I was thinking if I put like eyeshadow primer where I want the eyeshadow to be. So I'm gonna do that, and hopefully it doesn't ruin everything. So So now what I want to do is I want to take this red eyeshadow that is covered in makeup, and put it like here, like just do that. And I really hope I don't mess up, so. Okay, for the top part, I'm actually going to be using this one that's like angled and thin, just so I can make it into like triangles. Okay, I kind of like that. That looks cool. So, it does look really cool, but I want to take black and go like in the middle of it. So I'm going to try to take this and just blend this out just a little. Okay, I kind of like how that looks better, but this is what I have on this side, so I'm gonna try to do that to the top. Okay, I actually really like how this looks. I'm gonna take pictures of this before I put the black in, because I'm scared I'm gonna ruin it. Like, I'm really scared, so. Okay, so welcome back to my bathroom with the horrible audio and lighting. So, I'm going to be taking this black lipstick and going in the middle of it and trying to make it like as in the middle as possible. That made no sense. But I'm going to try to do that, and I really hope I don't mess this up, so. Okay, this doesn't look that bad. Except for those couple little things. I just messed it up. Ah! Okay, so that little piece I'll try to fix in a minute. I'm gonna try to do this part. Ta-da! I'll see you in a second. Okay, I just finished this side, and I actually decided I wanted to do the black lipstick now, so that way I don't have to come back in here. So I'm just going to go around the bottom and around the top, but keeping the center red, hopefully. No, it did not work. So my lips are just going to be black now, so... Ta-da! So actually, I'm done. I like how this looks. I can't really fix that because it dried and I don't really know what to do and I don't want to ruin it, so I'm just gonna leave it. I put a little teeny words. I put some red under my eyebrows, but not like a ton, just so that way it kind of looks like it's like fading up. I don't know. I really like it. So I just put my hair like this, and then I want to pull this back because it's annoying. So I put my hair like this and I wear this. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Bye.